We recording. Dang. Recording fast.
Welcome back to Big Boss Rockwaller Kennels, you guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn your post notification bell on all. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment if you like. Share this video. You already know. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. And make sure y'all keep buying y'all raffle tickets. We are giving away a pup at 10K subscribers on YouTube. So make sure y'all keep buying your raffle, buy your raffle tickets. So as y'all can see, BBK game. We getting the dogs ready
for the winter storm, y'all.
Yes, it's gonna
be, y'all. It's gonna be 14 tonight.
Yeah, it's gonna be dropped down to about 14 tonight, and then the rest of the week is gonna be that rainy, sleet, wintry mixed stuff that everybody hates. But you know, we gotta keep the dogs secure, warm, and safe during this winter storm.
Don't need no dog getting froze out there.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So yeah, for everybody that keeps their dogs outside, you know, make sure they got everything that they need to stay warm. Yes. Just, you know, same thing you would want to do, you know, in preparing for the weather to change, whether it's hot, whether it's cold, whatever. The dogs need the same treatment, you guys.
Keep your dogs warm. Keep your dogs safe, you know. It's gonna be cold tonight.
Oh yes, it's gonna be ridiculously cold, y'all. So they just in here chilling. We up early, you know, getting prepared because it's already dropping, y'all. We already, you see, got the stenchicle, got the heaters going. There's one over here, so everybody can be warm. Puppies that's left. Everybody.
Make sure don't get out the raffle.
Yes, make sure you don't forget about the raffle, y'all. Keep buying your tickets, buying your tickets, buying your tickets. Keep sharing our videos. Keep liking them. Like, y'all, we appreciate this to the utmost. Y'all just don't understand.
For everybody, these puppies just sold out. They will be going home soon, but right now, they here at Big Boss Kennel Rockwaller for right now, but they will be going home soon. But I'm just showing y'all these 9 weeks old pups. What, they 9 weeks?
Yes.
Just turned 9 weeks. Okay, I'm just gonna give y'all a little taste. You see that, y'all? Look at that. It's female. 9 weeks, y'all. You know, 9 weeks old. How big this is? You see how big this is, y'all? This a female, man. Look at that. Look at the body of that thing. Look at that head, man. Look at that. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. I'm gonna show y'all. This what we're producing around here. Yeah, man. Come on, come on. Oh yeah, they bad.
That's the Energizer Bunny right there.
Yeah, look at that, man. The head on that thing. Y'all see that? See the head on that thing? Female. Oh yeah. Nice. That's what we're producing over here, man. That Big Boss Kennel Rockwaller. Yeah, man, we got the top notch. And they bad. And they like the body on.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Y'all look at Nikki.
Yeah. Nikki, she here. Stop. See that? They like biting, y'all. Get back. Then they bad on one. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Big boy. Come here, big boy. Big boy. Big boy right here, y'all. That's what y'all gonna get. This bloodline, hey, I'm telling y'all. Calm down. But I'm telling y'all. Calm down. Calm down. But I'm telling y'all, these dogs, look, stop. Hey, what y'all gonna get? y'all gonna get beast mode. And you know these dogs, I'm telling y'all, like the dogs we got, hey, it's not cheap. We getting the best bloodline, y'all. We trying to share with everybody. We just not, man, we ain't got no backyard, like, you know, no backyard bullshit, you know what I'm saying? Real talk, y'all.
Yeah, ain't no backyard breeding. Yeah.
Yeah, man. We got some shit, man. We got some shit going goddamn me. Gonna make y'all, hey, when y'all got y'all dogs, when y'all walking down the street, people gonna say, damn. They don't like, where you get that at? And y'all gotta say, y'all gotta put me big boss skin around with me, man. Real talk, man. I'm telling y'all. Hey man, we got some heat over here at Big Boss skin around, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. It's no gimmicks, man.
No gimmicks, no. What you say, babe? Ain't no what?
No goddamn German Shepherd. You hear me? Straight British over here. Oh yeah, man. We got some shit at Big Boss skin around, man. Yeah, man, y'all, yeah, these boys scared out here, man. They know it. Like, man, I bet you, y'all. You know what, matter of fact, some of you guys, whoever got rock balls, whatever y'all got, I'm not gonna talk about this. Just take a picture of your dog and send it to me. You know what I'm saying? That's what I want y'all to do.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all drop y'all dogs in the comments. Drop a picture. This is no competition. We just want to see. We just want to see. That's it.
You know.
That's it.
Stop all that peeing everywhere. You ain't gotta do all that. I know you dogs and you hot, but yeah, man, I'm telling y'all, it's not only pop on that Big Boss gonna rock on y'all. Yeah, man, I know you guys. I know some of you guys, you haters. I know y'all scared, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all be looking back at your dog like, damn, I do got double people in this German Shepherd.
And it's okay. It's okay.
Just come
Yeah.
with your boy.
Yeah.
I mean, you ain't got, cause if I see something good, I don't care what kennel it is. If I see something good, I am gonna be like, you know, I'm not no hater. I'm gonna be like, hey, man, I might buy a dog from you. You know, if I see it's good,
Right.
I might buy it from you.
Right.
I'm not gonna be scared to come to the shop with you. You know what I'm saying? I'm not scared, you know. I'm just real, man.
Right.
If I see what's good, come shop with you. Calm down. Yeah, man, you know. Rock, calm down. Yeah, I'm gonna come shop with you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy, man. You know, I'm not scared to come shop with you, man. Like, man. Demo, calm down.
Yeah, we put our hats off to everybody. We want everybody to win. Yeah, and we just try to, you know, spread as much knowledge about, you know, what we're doing, the dogs themselves, you know, to anybody that's wanting to learn, to find out about, you know, just raising dogs, raising the big top quality dogs, no matter what it is.
Yeah, man, we just trying to have the best, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm telling y'all, man, that's how we doing. We going up, and I'm telling y'all, it's up and up and up. That's it. Yeah, man.
Yes. Look at them.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Say it. I mean, some guys, they don't want to shop. They scared, you know what I'm saying? They might be sending somebody else for them to come shop and get a puppy. You know, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know one thing I know. You know, one person out there come shop with me is Tony Butler. You know, it's not, I know he's not hating on me or nothing like that, but he like my dogs, man. We talk a lot. But I want him to get on this camera and come purchase him a dog from me. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
He want to get one though, y'all. I'm telling y'all.
Yeah. That'll be
That'll be 100. You know what I'm saying? If he just come, you know what I'm saying? Well, you know, I shop with him. You know what I'm saying? Come shop with me. You know, I done put something together. I done put some monsters together.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. It's on the popping over here, man. Yeah, man, this is what y'all gonna get, man. Yeah, man, this is what y'all gonna get. But anyway, y'all, yeah, we just trying to keep the dogs out this weather, man. It's gonna be real cold tonight. It's gonna be cold for a couple days, you know. We're just trying to keep the puppies warm, keep my big dogs warm. Especially if you breed dogs, man, you gotta make sure you know, don't take this money and just be spending this money just on crazy stuff, man. Take this money.
Gotta invest it and put it back into them.
Into these dogs, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Do it for the, you know what I'm saying? You do it for animals, do it for these, you know what I'm saying? They making you money, you know what I'm saying? Spend money on them too.
Yeah.
You know, that's what I you know, it's just like, man, I spend a lot of money on my dog, man. I spend like, man, I'm telling y'all, we spend like at least probably about $800-900 a week on these dogs every day. Like we be buying here and there.
And
Make sure
majority of that
best.
is food.
Yeah,
you know,
everything, man.
everything.
Like everything, man. Like I make sure they eat the best, man. Like we cook every day for these dogs.
Not a day go by.
You don't miss no day.
Whether y'all believe it or not, as many as we got, you know, it is a lot of hard work. It is very time consuming. But when you love what you do, the extra sweat and time that you do to do things for them, it doesn't even matter.
Yeah.
So, you know, they on four legs. They not humans like us, y'all. But we treat them just as, we treat them as if they were.
You gotta do everything for them dogs. You gotta do everything.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You get a dog, you gotta make sure they good, man. You gotta make sure you picking up the boo-boo, all that. You know what I'm saying? They pissing and
keep all their areas sanitized.
Changing their water every day. You know what I'm saying? Because dogs they won't clean water just like you won't clean water every day.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Same thing with them. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Keep them clean. That's how you have a healthy dog. You know what I'm saying? Make sure they clean everything. You know?
Yeah, and y'all know the saying goes, you know, in a marriage, in a relationship, or whatever the case may be, healthy life, happy wife, healthy dogs, happy dogs. You know, you gotta keep them happy, just like you want to be happy and healthy. So, you know, they can't tell you what's wrong or what's going on with them, but as long as you taking care of them, then you have no problems.
Yeah, man. You know, I've been having this dude for 3.5 years now. Man, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Man, it ain't about the money with my boy right here, man. You know what I'm saying? It's not about the money, you know what I'm saying? I started out with this, man. I'm being real honest with y'all. I was looking for Debo. I was looking for a rock baller for at least what, about 3 or 4 years? 4 years? Like 2.5 years
Yeah.
before I found Debo. But it's just the point, like when I got him, like I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't no breed. Like I was just buying them. I just didn't see them. I haven't seen like a rock baller like in a minute. I was looking for. I was like, dang. I was asking how everybody was messing with the bullet game and all that, doing all that. And I had bullets, you know what I'm saying? But I just didn't really want, it just wasn't really my thing, like no bullets no more. They started doing too much with it, you know what I'm saying? And I was just wondering, and I had one day, we had went over to a grandpa's house, and her uncle was over there, he had a rock ball. I was like, that's why I haven't seen it. His rock ball was nice. And I was like, man, I want me a rock ball, man.
Yeah.
And then I was searching for a rock, man. I had got this other rock. I named him Rocco, but I just didn't like how he looked. Like he was loud, he was nice, but he just want that. He want that for me. Like I'm trying to get something with a big head, big body. I need the whole package, man. You know, I don't want no bull. You know what I'm saying? Like I want the real deal. You know what I'm saying? I went to Tony, man. I seen Tony on there, seen the puppies. I was like, oh man, that's what I want. You know what I'm saying? I like it. And Tony, man, Tony was chopping it up, and man, and shit. When he was like, shit, you see the pie? I was like, nah, you know what? I want to come. You know what I'm saying? And I had sent him the pie. Like, look, I just don't send him the pie. And I came on. I went up there and seen Debo there.
The next day.
The next day, you know, and I was like, man, I gotta get that.
Yeah.
I said, this is what I want right here. He was like, which one? He had like he had the puppies like that, and he was like, picked it up. I said, I want that one. And I paid, you know, he wasn't cheap. I paid the price for him. You know what I'm saying? I wanted that.
Yep.
You know, if you want whatever you want, you gotta pay that price, man. These puppies are not cheap, man. I'm telling y'all.
Yeah.
What y'all want, like the first picks, I'm telling y'all, it's not cheap.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But you want that beast, hey man, you gotta pay that money, man. I paid that money, man. Cash them out, man. Like I'm like, I want that. And then I went back and got another one, you know what I'm
Yep,
saying?
went back and got some rock.
I got another one, you know what I'm saying? I kept going from there, man. I kept motivating myself and just kept motivating myself. And I just stacked up and got me, you know what I'm saying? That's what I kept doing, man. I was like, man, and then I was like, I'm gonna start breathing.
Yep.
I got Debo by himself. I was like, man, I had like my bullets too. I still had 2 bullets, but I had gave them away, and one of them had passed away due to some more shit. But you know, it is what it is. But you know what I'm saying. But I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm a fan of rock ballers, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a fan of rock ballers, y'all. Rock ballers is the best thing popping right now, y'all. I'm telling y'all.
Yes.
Rock ballers is the best thing popping, man. It's no cap because I got them. No. I'm telling y'all, like I love rock ballers, man.
Real dog.
Yeah, they real dog, man. Especially when you got the right rock baller. You ain't got no Doberman Peaches look like a German Shepherd. You know what I'm saying? You got the real deal. When you got the real deal, you feel good. Like right now, I feel real good. Like saying, like I look at my dogs. I come out here just look at my dog. I'm like, dang, I can't believe that. Like now, man, look at this, man. It's just I'm steady. I got 2 female dogs still in the house right now. Y'all don't see right now, but you know, but it's the point. Like I'm telling y'all, like we growing. Like I'm telling y'all, you know, we got 2 females right now, pregnant right now, y'all. It feel good, like just saying, like man, it's like I feel good, man. I started with 2 rock ballers. Now look at all this. I got a lot. You know what I'm saying? But we still going. We still growing.
Oh yeah, we still expanding our brand,
Yeah,
still
man.
Expanding our kennel.
Yeah, man. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, man.
And it's thanks to y'all for supporting and believing in us. You know, you gotta believe in your own self and your own dream before anybody else can believe in you and support you. But we appreciate y'all because, hey, y'all are making this possible. We just trying to expand. We only going up from here, y'all. And hey, we just gonna keep producing the best of the best. You know, that's the only way we know how.
Look at the head, y'all.
Only thing we know to do.
Look at the head, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is what y'all gonna get. Mo 3 and Debo, man, they got them heads, man. Even my female got them heads. I'm telling y'all, man, y'all feel so good just getting a puppy. You know how that dog gonna turn out. You know, like, man, I'm telling y'all, it feels good when you got a good, you went to a good breeder, and you like, dang, man, you know how your dog gonna turn out. Gonna turn out good. You know you ain't got no, you know what I'm saying, no BS, you know what I'm saying? You got a straight deal, you got the real deal Holyfield around there, man. Like, I feel good, man. I feel good waking up in the morning, coming out here and just chilling with my dogs, man. It keep you out the way, man. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I don't like dealing with a lot of people. I just like, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause I ain't got time for BS, man. I just like chilling with my dog, with my wife, we just chilling. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we go out and drink, do what we do. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do that, you know what I'm saying? But shit, I just be chilling with my dog, man. I feel better, man. I feel just good just chilling with my dog, man.
Yeah, it's all about them.
My dogs cutting me in my back. None of that. They gonna watch everything around me. You know?
Oh yeah.
Everything.
They gonna hear and see stuff that you don't.
Man. Yeah. These other, they gonna cutthroat you, man. These dogs they gonna protect you.
Yeah.
They gonna, you know what I'm saying? As long as you take care of them, they gonna take care of you. Real talk.
Yep.
Yeah. Tell me, Debo. Tell him, boy. Look at him, he's like, oh yeah. You love me, big boy? I love my big boy, man. I'm telling y'all, man, like, this dude right here, man, yeah, man, this is where I started it right here, man, like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Debo and Ciroc.
oh yeah, man, this is the best right here, best of the best right here, man. Yeah, man, that's my boy right here, this is my boy. You love me, big boy? Huh? Man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Y'all, yeah, man, we gonna cut it off, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay prayed up, y'all stay out the way, man. And hey, that's all I can say, man. Y'all come shop with Big Boss Killer Rock Ballers, man.
Ain't no scamming, ain't no gimmicks. What you see, y'all, is what you gonna get.
You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. Like,
Just
we got more, we got pressure over here, man.
oh yeah.
We got pressure. You know, hey man. Y'all just, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what to do. Y'all just look around for it before you even call. And I promise you, once you look around, you're like, dang. They ain't like no big boss killer. Rockwaller, big boss killer. Rockwaller.
Oh yeah.
They got it up there. They got it popping over there. Yeah, we got it popping over there. You know, we ain't trying to oppose the brand and none of that, but I'm just saying, man, we just having a good time, man. Y'all stay prayed up, man. We're gonna get out of there, man.
Yeah, so make sure y'all hit them subscribe buttons, turn your post notification bell on the all. Again, like this video, drop a comment, share this video, tell a friend and tell a friend. Don't forget about the raffle. Call us for more information. Follow us on Instagram at Big Boss Rockwaller Kennels. And we love y'all, and we see y'all next time. Gang, gang.